The NVX QB10SPA subwoofer provides impressive bass output with its 10-inch driver and a peak power of 1,200 watts, making it an excellent choice for enhancing your car's audio experience. Equipped with a built-in Class D amplifier, this subwoofer ensures efficient power usage and precise bass management thanks to its low-pass crossover feature. The inclusion of a remote bass-level control allows for convenient on-the-fly adjustments, enabling users to tailor the bass to their preference with ease. Constructed from 3/4-inch MDF, the enclosure is both durable and precise, offering long-lasting performance with a stylish black carpet finish and a protective metal grille. Installation is straightforward, as the subwoofer is compatible with both factory and aftermarket head units and features a removable power plug and 30-amp fuse for safe connections. With its compact design, the NVX QB10SPA is easy to fit into most cars and trucks, providing a robust audio upgrade without taking up too much space.